Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a black border around the text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert black border around text. Firstly, go to the home menu, then click the draw text box, then click and drag on our mouse to draw a text box. Now we write anything on this text box. Now we want to insert black border, click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Now we can see here many options. Find and select the shape outline. You can choose the any color. Now I select the black color. Here the black color. Then we can see we insert a black border around the text in this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.